Hey, this is Dr. Troy Fullerton with Bilingual Barrier Busters, and I'm just wondering, has anybody noticed that they have changed the alphabet in Spanish? And as a matter of fact, they did quite some time ago. Now, if you're a dinosaur like I am and you first started studying Spanish back before the 1980s, clear back then, you learned the old-fashioned alphabet. And the old-fashioned alphabet had the letter che, which is the CH, after the C, and all of the double letters, the eye, that's the double L, or the R, the double R, all of the double letters are right on the alphabet chart, right along with che. But somewhere down the line, they realized that computers can't put things in alphabetical order quite so easily when some of the letters are in fact two letters. So what they did, you still have to learn those sounds. You still have to learn the sounds that those letters make. But what they did was they took the double letters and laid them off to the side so they're no longer on the alphabet chart. Now, they say it's hard to teach an old dog new tricks. When I teach the alphabet, I still teach the old standard alphabet. But anymore, I have to tell people, but if you look at the book, you're going to see in the book that is not written that way anymore. Those double letters used to be there, but they're not anymore. But that's okay because it gives me a chance to add some historical context, to talk about how languages evolve, to talk about how standards change, to introduce people to the Real Academia, the Royal Academy of the Spanish language, and talk about how they are the arbiters of what is considered kosher and what is not, and what is substandard and what is not, and talk about what that's made of. So there are some advantages to it. But in case you ever look at an old Spanish book and a modern Spanish book and see that discrepancy, honestly, nothing has changed. They still pronounce those letters the same. Nothing has changed other than the fact that they took them off the chart and laid them off to the side. So happy learning, everybody.